welcome back to another Avia and Avia show. Today we're going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And it is by Mo Willems. And this is from Kennedy Elementary School. And it has a library there. Is that really cool? They have classrooms, library, a PE station, and music. And they have upstairs. And they have tons of rooms. That is a lot of stuff in that school I go to. Come on and let's read together. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. By Mo Willems. By Mo Willems. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Are you okay? I don't know. Choo! I cannot stop. Choo! That is funny. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! That's a big one. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Well, sorry. But a pig still makes me sneeze. Then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Sometimes you cannot make a word appear from your mouth. That's what my teacher says. Because she always does this. So we are gonna... She always does that sometimes. Then we must be apart forever. See that? But Gerald, no, do not speak any longer. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. That's how he sniffs. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Fun. I did not think pigs make you sneeze. I did not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, Dr. Cat. Now he's happy. From sad to
Why?
happy. Oh, I think it is because that he, Dr. Cat, he said that maybe he is sick and he's happy because he's sick. So he wouldn't be allergic to pigs or cats or other animals you'll fall of. Let's keep on reading, guys. Piggie! Piggie! Great news! I have a card! Good for you. Now Piggie has a card.
Oh.
Look at that. From all that sneezing from Gerald. Look at that. Let's do this thing. Elephant and Piggie have more funny adventures, and today I will fly. My friend is Tad. I'm invited to a party. There is a bird on your head. I love my new toy. I will surprise my friend. Are you ready to play outside? Watch me throw the ball. Elephants cannot dance. The end. Hello. I hope you guys remember to subscribe down below and watch more videos. Bye-bye.